Out of all social media channels, Instagram stands out as the platform where connectivity meets creativity and endless possibilities. With over 1.4 billion Instagram users scrolling through captivating content daily, the platform has become not just a playground of visually appealing share-worthy images and videos, but also the ideal space for those looking to turn their passion into profit. Alright, get ready because in this video, we're going to talk all about making money on Instagram, no matter how many followers you have. Whether it's 1,000, 10,000, or even 100,000, it doesn't matter. We're here to give you the know-how to increase your earnings on Instagram. First up, how to make money on Instagram. Here are several practical tips and methods to help you maximize your earnings on this popular social media platform. Become an influencer. Have you been scrolling through your feed and stumbling upon pictures of influencers living their best lives, exotic vacations, trendy wardrobes, wondering how it is all possible? Now, what if we told you that you could be the one posting those envy-inducing snapshots? The world of Instagram influence is not just reserved for the rich and famous, it's for anyone with a passion and a smartphone. So forget just liking pictures of money and a lavish lifestyle. Now you can too achieve all this simply by becoming an Instagram influencer. If you have a lot of followers on Instagram, you can become an influencer. This means that companies will pay you to talk about their products or services because you have a large following that listens to what you say. But what if you don't have many followers? Can you still make money on Instagram? The answer is yes. Even if you only have 500 followers, as long as those people care about what you post and interact with your content, you can still attract brand attention. So, don't worry if you don't have a lot of followers. You can still make money on Instagram. Work with brands. Collaborating with brands presents an excellent opportunity to generate income on Instagram. Brands compensate you for featuring their products on your page, leveraging your follower base to expand their reach. It's undoubtedly one of the most efficient ways to earn quick money through Instagram. But what about the earnings potential? How much does Instagram pay for every 1,000 followers? The answer isn't set in stone. It hinges on factors such as follower engagement and the specific brand you collaborate with. Surprisingly, even with a modest follower count, you can still earn a substantial income. Individuals with approximately 1,000 followers can expect to earn around $10 per post, potentially accumulating up to $1,420 per month. This showcases that follower count isn't the sole determinant of earning potential on Instagram. By partnering with brands, individuals with smaller followings can still capitalize on their platform and generate income effectively. Join affiliate programs. Another lucrative avenue to explore in the realm of online income generation is affiliate marketing. With this approach, companies provide you with a unique link or code that you can share with your followers. When someone from your audience makes a purchase using your affiliate link or code, you receive a commission. What makes affiliate marketing particularly attractive is that it doesn't necessitate direct selling. This aspect renders it an ideal choice for those seeking ways to monetize their Instagram presence without engaging in direct sales tactics. Instead of pushing products onto your audience, you simply recommend items that you genuinely believe in or have used yourself. By incorporating affiliate marketing into your Instagram strategy, you can seamlessly integrate promotional content into your feed or stories without coming across as overly sleazy. This allows you to maintain authenticity and trust with your audience while still earning income from your promotional efforts. Enable ads on Reels. After ending Instagram's Reels Play bonus program earlier this year, parent company Meta announced that it's expanding ads on Reels, a performance-based monetization program available on Instagram and Facebook. According to the announcement, with a performance-based model, creators can focus on the content that's resonating with their audiences and helping them grow. Advertisers get access to more ad inventory to reach more people. And people get a more consistent viewing experience with more relevant ads. The amount you earn is based on the number of plays your Reels get, not by how much ad revenue you bring in. So the better your Reels perform, the more you make. Meta is still testing the program, so it's not widely available. You'll need an invite from Meta to be included in the test group. Create sponsored posts for brands. Another strategy is to partner with brands for sponsored posts. Some brands are willing to work with micro-influencers who have a smaller but highly engaged following. In a sponsored post, you're not just showing off the product or just mentioning it. You're making a whole post about that product. This could be a picture of you using the product, a video of how the product works, or a before and after picture showing what the product can do. These posts need to be more detailed and exciting than your usual posts. The aim is to get your followers interested in the product. You might share a story about how the product has helped you, share some cool facts about it, or explain how it works in a simple way. The main thing for a successful sponsored post is getting your followers to interact. You want to make a post that gets people talking. Ask questions, encourage them to comment, and reply to your followers who respond to the post. Remember, even though you're getting paid to make the post, it's important to be honest. Earn badges from going live. Just like turning on live badges, there's another feature where you can get badges from your viewers when you go live on Instagram or Facebook. This is a way for your followers to support you while you are doing a live video. Your viewers can buy and send badges during the live video when you go live. These badges show up next to the viewer's name in the comments, making them more noticeable. They usually look like 1, 2, or 3 heart icons. The badges are not just pictures, they have money value. The money from these bought badges goes straight to you, giving you some income while you talk with your audience. It's a cool way to earn money from your content while also talking with your followers. How to make money on Instagram as a creator. Making money on Instagram as a creator can be a good way to earn if you do it properly. You can make money from your posts and interactions with your followers, turning your creative skills into money. Instagram has a feature called Live Badges. It lets creators in the US earn money while doing a live video. This is a great way to make money from live chats with your audience. You could also work with brands for sponsored posts. This means you partner with companies that fit well with your business and promote their products or services to your followers. It's important to be honest while doing sponsored posts, as trust is key for successful brand partnerships. Making interesting content like Instagram Reels can also help attract brand partnerships. Many creators have found success in influencer marketing by creating reels that show their creativity and connect with their audience. The key to making money on Instagram as a creator is to focus on creating high-quality content that attracts followers. Once you build a big and engaged following, you can use different strategies to earn money. Remember, earnings can vary a lot among creators, with some making between $5,000 to $250,000 per month depending on things like how many followers they have, how engaged their followers are, and the number of sponsorships they get. Instagram offers many ways for creators, businesses, and everyday people to make money. You can work with brands, use Instagram's own tools like live badges and shopping, or even sell your own things. The chance to earn money is really big. Remember, making great posts is the key to getting more followers, which then leads to more ways to make money. It might seem hard at first, but with patience and creativity, you can make Instagram a way to earn cash. So, don't miss out on these chances to turn your passion and talent into money. Learning how to make money on Instagram is like going on a journey, not a quick race. Start today, keep going, and see your hard work pay off. It's important to note that while some services offer free Instagram likes, it's always best to grow your following organically. Engaging with your audience, creating high-quality content, and using relevant hashtags are the most effective and authentic ways to get likes and followers on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips.